Lovely home with so much space and privacy on 5.14 acres. Shop in Pole Barn. Shop wired west/220 and 2 to 60 amp weld plugs, has a lean-to and a dog kennel off the shop. Pole Barn has LED lights, finished room west/plug-ins, RV parking, and lean-to. Inside this spacious home you'll find beautiful bamboo anti-scratch floors, vinyl windows, huge open concept kitchen, French doors between dining and living room, relaxing covered deck off master, tile shower, and more. We'll have new siding and paint before going active.